Well deserving, a Rotarian in his own right. We want to appreciate your time with us and the entire entourage that is with you.
Obu abeiradi omujenyi mukuru aha mukoro ogu ari omuhwezi wa speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Rt.Hon Thomas Tayebwa hamwe akwatanise n'omukazi we Anita Tayebwa bashoboroire ngu nibeija kukora ekirikwetengesa kurebeka ngu bayamba omwana wena otarikweyamba na munonga aha nshonga za pads obu barikubaha pads za busha ahari buri mwishiki wena nakwe kiyambeho mu kutungura embeera y'omwana w'omwishiki.
My friends in India, they've given us, I think it's about which year, they've given us equipment to manufacture pads for girls. So Mark, because they will be for free, we don't want to be, and it's not reusable pads. I don't believe in them. If my wife can't use a reusable pad, why should I give it to someone's daughter?
Obeera presidenti w'ekibiina eki omukugamba kwe ashabire presidenti omusya okukora n'amaani okurebeka ngu ekibiina eki tikyagaruka enyuma.
I have a plan because I am committed to support Mark and his team to bring up his club. There are some templates I am going to share with other clubs because we have to share with each other. I've gained from also learning from other clubs.
Presidenti omusya araganise okukorera hamwe n'abantu bona abari omu kibiina eki hamwe n'abebembezi.
What we're going to do is say how can we come from good to great. And then finally, I'm going to focus on culture. Our club culture, innovation and collaboration.
Tayebwa araganise kukwatanisa n'abantu bona abari omu kibiina eki okurebeka ngu bayamba abantu bona abarikuba beine obwetaago.
Pledge my total support to your team. And I've heard that you are recruiting Anita to be very active. Yeah, she refused to be active in politics. At least she should be active in Rotary.
Tayebwa ashabira abantu bona abari omu kibiina eki obuteyendeza ngu bagezeho kurebeka ngu bashomesa abantu amakuru g'ekibiina eki.
And all other new leaders of all clubs present here, ensure you make Rotary very vibrant and engaging so that there is a reason for a new entrant to be part of the movement. Being a leader comes with obligations like that.
Gasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Tayari West.